Did you hear the exciting news? Starting next month, Uber will allow women drivers and riders to opt out of being paired with men. That's right. This new feature is designed to enhance safety and comfort for women, giving them more control over their rides. So how does it work? The app will provide an option for female users to select preferences during the ride request process. When they choose this setting, the algorithm will prioritize pairing them with women, meaning those uncomfortable situations might just be a thing of the past. It's a simple tweak, but one that can make a huge difference in how secure women feel while using rideshare services. Now, why does this really matter? In today's world, safety and comfort are paramount. Many women have shared their concerns about riding with male drivers and the anxiety it can bring. This feature isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a more inclusive environment for all users. The more options we have, the more empowered we feel. So, if you're a woman who uses Uber, keep an eye out for this update next month. And for everyone else, it's a great reminder that user feedback can drive meaningful change in technology. Remember, always prioritize your safety in any ride-sharing situation. This is today's tech update for July 24th, 2025.